This will be for the con assignment valid claims. Okay, it says Nayara wants to know the percentage of each grade level of students at her school who drove to school. She has 4 grade levels. Which of the following survey methods will allow her to make a valid conclusion about which percentage of each grade level drives to school? A, randomly select 48 students who drive to school and ask their grade level. That one is no good, okay? It's biased because you're selecting from a pool of students who already drive to school. Answer B, randomly select 12 students from each grade level and ask whether they drive to school. That's much better, okay? Like I said, A is biased because if you want to find the percentage that drives to school, you shouldn't ask the people that already drive to school. Bella wants to conduct a survey to determine how many residents of Forks believe in supernatural creatures. Which of the following survey methods will allow Bella to make a valid conclusion about the percentage that believe in supernatural creatures? A, ask a randomly selected sample of residents to answer the question anonymously. B, ask the high school students to answer anonymously. That's no good, okay? Because we're looking at the residents of Forks, and B is just limiting it to high school students, so that's no good. So A is the correct choice. Okay. School board administered a math test to all students in grade 6. 15% of them were below grade level in math. Which of the following conclusions are valid? 15% of all students at HACS are below grade level in math. No, okay? You can't say all students because they only did the ones in grade 6. 15% in the sample are below grade level, but we cannot conclude anything about the students in grade 6. Well, they administered the test to all students in grade 6. So you certainly can conclude something about the students in grade 6. It's not B. 15% of all students in grade 6 are below grade level in math. That's it. Good Taste Food Company asked 100 randomly selected students at Ridgemont High, do you prefer pizza or veggie burger for lunch? 67% answered pizza. Okay, answer A, about 67% of all students at Ridgemont High prefer pizza for lunch. Well, I think that's it because they asked 100 randomly selected students from the high school, okay? The pool of students they selected from was the entire high school. So, and they said about 67%, not exactly. So I'm going to go with A. B says 67 in the sample prefer pizza. We cannot conclude anything about the population. I disagree. If they randomly ask 100 students at the high school, I'd say you can estimate that 67% of the entire high school preferred pizza. So again, I'm sticking with A. C says all teenagers. No, you can't say that, okay, because they only did it for this high school. So it's answer A.